Hello, I'm back in my office in California and just wanted to check in on a couple things that's happened the last few days. I've noticed that when I cheat and go off my favorable diet of the animal products, I feel different. Of course, the bowels don't work as well, and it just reminds me that I really should just be sticking to what I've been doing because I have felt so much better these last 6 months whenever I stick to the butter and animal products, meat, a little bit of dairy. So a couple days ago, I had potatoes 2 days in a row. Even though it was just a little bit of potatoes, honestly think I just can't do potatoes anymore. It just kind of makes everything in my system sluggish and slow down. And I think it actually pushes on my vagal nerve a little bit when that happens again. So I do not want to go there. I think I just can't eat potatoes, maybe because they were both fried. I don't know. Or actually they were baked, but they had olive oil on them. And I don't want to hurt my dad's feelings because he makes great food and he did have some great meat with it as well. But I felt it would be weird to just not eat the potatoes. But I think I just have to realize that most people don't even notice when you don't put everything on your plate. So I have to just remember that it's not a big deal. Just don't be afraid. I actually put a little spinach on my plate one day, cream spinach, which tasted actually pretty decent. And then I put some asparagus on my plate one day that didn't taste that great. I actually had to cover it in mayonnaise. So I don't even think that that's necessary. I went out to lunch yesterday with the client and it was to that Tahoe Joe's, which is actually awesome because it's an amazing meat place. So I ordered a steak with prawns on the side and I said no other sides. And they brought me my little 6-ounce steak, which was perfect for lunch, like 4 grilled prawns and then a big old pile of green beans. I didn't even touch my green beans, but I ate all the prawns, all the steak, and nobody really says anything. They're not like, why don't you eat your vegetables? That's one thing, especially going out with clients. I don't want to make it a big deal. But it was interesting because in the car on the way back to the client's office, we were chatting, and my client had brought up that she has recently been diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, and she's now having all this esophageal issues, where I think it's called esophageal paralysis or something. And she's really getting concerned there could be some cancer, and the other person in the car was chatting about it as well. And I said, you might want to just try doing an elimination type diet, that see if that helps at all. Take it down to just things that are not inflammatory, like meat, for example. And I told him I've been doing that for about 6 months and I feel really great. All my pain went away, my tennis elbow went away, and I'm not on any medications at all right now. So I said, you might want to just try it and see if that helps. She's like, yeah, I think I'll do that, because she's like, I eat really healthy, but and I said, well, there could be some things in there that are inflammatory to you that may be making this a little bit worse. So I said, I'm no doctor, but maybe give it a try, and it probably won't hurt. So we'll see. I'm trying to spread the word slowly. When I hear people, when they're suffering, and if she's not much older than me, and I'm sure she's on all kinds of medications, and she could probably just feel a lot better. So trying to slowly spread the word as people voluntarily tell me about different health conditions, because I really want them to feel as great as me. And this morning I wasn't feeling as great, I think just because of the potatoes and the vegetables. So I just have to learn not to do those. It's silly. Why bother? And when I'm feeling this great, and if I continue to feel icky, I'll probably, just maybe check in with somebody just to make sure that like my blood pressure is okay. I probably should go check my blood pressure. If anything, it's probably too low. But I just had some meat with a little bit of butter this morning. Maybe I was just hungry too. That's why I'm feeling kind of off. So hope you guys have a great day, and Talk to you soon.